Climate change is a long-term alteration of temperature and typical weather patterns in a place. Climate is sometimes mistaken for weather, but it is different because it is measured over a long period of time, whereas weather can change from day to day or from year to year. While the climate on an area includes seasonal temperature, rainfall averages, and rain patterns.
But what really causes climate change? The answer is us. We, humans above the earth, causes climate change. These shifts of weather may be natural, but since the 1800s, human activities have been the main driver of climate change, primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas, which produces heat-trapping gases. Burning these materials releases what are called greenhouse gases into Earth's atmosphere. There, these gases trap heat from the sun's rays inside the atmosphere, causing Earth's average temperature to rise.
So how can climate change affect us? Is this alarming? Well, the answer in that is a big yes. Climate change affects water, food supply, health, and our environment. Changes to water resources can have a big impact on our world and our lives. Flooding is an increasing issue as our climate is changing. And as the earth warms, the melt line moves upward so that the glacier melts faster and faster at the bottom, shortening the glacier and reducing its mass.
Our food supply depends on climate and weather conditions. Increased temperatures, drought, and water stress, diseases, and weather extremes create challenges for the farmers and ranchers who put food on our tables. Human farm workers can suffer from heat-related health issues like exhaustion, heat stroke, and heart attacks. Rising temperature and heat stress can also harm livestock. As ocean temperature rises, hurricanes are getting stronger and wetter, which can cause direct and indirect deaths.
It will also continue to have a significant impact on our environment's ecosystem and organism. The compounding effect of climate change are leading to many changes in ecosystem. Coral reefs are vulnerable to many effects of climate change. Warming waters can lead to coral bleaching, stronger hurricanes can destroy reefs, and rising sea level can cause corals to be smothered by sediment. Coral reefs' ecosystems are home to thousands of species which rely on healthy coral reefs to survive.
And now we know what is climate change and its cause and effect in our surroundings. We need to avoid or prevent climate change in that we can control and stop it from harming us. As we apply modernization, scientific discoveries emerge, and one of these can be the solution to end the problems that we are facing in climate change. And this is renewable energy.
So, what is renewable energy? It is an energy that is generated from natural processes that are continuously replenished. This includes sunlight, geothermal heat, wind, tides, water, and various forms of biomass. This energy cannot be exhausted and is constantly renewed. As renewable resources produce clean energy, this less pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. This includes biomass energy such as ethanol, hydropower, geothermal power, wind energy, and solar energy.
Biomass refers to the organic material from the plants or animals. It can be used as a source of energy because this organic material has absorbed energy from the sun. This energy is in turn released as heat energy when burned. Geothermal energy comes from the heat generated deep within the Earth's core. It can be harnessed by drilling wells to pump hot water or steam to a power plant. This energy then used for heating and electricity. The hydroelectric power plants use to the flow of rivers and streams to turn a turbine to power a generator, releasing electricity.
But no matter how advanced or effective the discoveries that could help our planet, we humans also need to work together to help our planet, even in doing some small things. This may not stop the climate change overnight, but small changes will always have a big impact in the future. See you on our next report.